Assalamualaikum and good day to Dr. May. My name is Ahmad Fidos bin Adan Shaimi and my matrix number is 01DDT23F1080. And I am joined with Surya Sanmugam and Manraj from the class DDTP 3A.
Hi, my name is Surya Shanmugam and my matrix number is 01DDT23F1178.
Hi, my name is Manraj Singh and my metric number is 01DDT22F2086.
Alright, for this task, we are using Shopee as our online shopping platform. So, for this task, I will be covering about general question and multiple choice question. While my friend Surya here will be covering about open-ended question and rank question. And lastly, for my friend Manraj here, he will be covering about Scala question, which in turn will be a question about the interface slash experience and the functionality of the Shopee website. Alright, let's start with my task. So my task here will be covering about general question and multiple choice question. For these two questions, I already have made 4 questions each. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's cover the first one. So for the question 1, how satisfied are you with the shopping experience on Shopee? Well, this is meant for the user to give back their feedback on their experience while shopping on Shopee. Number 2, what can Shopee do to make your expectation as a customer? So, the user will input any recommendation or changes they want Shopee to make so they can feel better. For the number 3, do you have any problem while using the Shopee website? So basically, the person behind the Shopee, the developer behind the Shopee, want to ask the user about any problem that they have faced. So the user will put anything they have problem with, such as maybe was a bit laggy or something. So let's see for number 4. What do you like the most while using Shopee? So maybe they like about the user interface, the how smooth it is, how quick they can purchase an item, and so on. Alright, moving on to the multiple choice question. Here for the first one, we have which payment method do you most often use while making a purchase? So we have 4 options here. The first one is, or A is online banking, B credit slash debit card, C cash on delivery, D Shopee Pay. Let's move on to the question number 2. When buying an item on Shopee, where do you search your item the most? Is it A, search bar, B, categories bar, C, shocking sales, D, daily discover? Right, let's move on to the number 3. When choosing the shipping and delivery option on Shopee, which option do you use the most? Is it A, doorstep delivery, B, bulky delivery, C, instant delivery, or D, safe collection point? Alright, moving on to the question number 4. When using search filter on Shopee website, which one do you use the most? Is it A, ship from, B, shipping option, C, shop type, or D, service and promotion? Alright, that is all for me. I will pass these tasks to my friend Surya.
Hi there, my name is Surya Shanmugam and my matrix number is 01DDT23F1178. So today I will be talking about the content over here, which is number 1 is open-minded questions and number 2 is rank questions about Shopee. So let's start with open-ended questions. So open-ended questions is like what do you expect the most as a user? And then let's start with the first question. So what do you like most about the Shopee interface? So in this, as you can see, this is our Shopee interface. So by this interface, is it so hard to use, or is it easy to use, or do you like how's the interface design? Because this is how the Shopee interface that we have created. And as you can see, if we scroll down, this is like the recent products which is up to the trend and up to the market. And In here, the top bar over here, we can see is the search bar, where you can search any type of product over here. And we have the notification center over here, and help center, and language, and sign up or login over here. So this is basically the interface of our Shopee. So for the second question is, what improvements will you suggest for our homepage layout? As you can see, this is basically the Shopee interface that we have created. So if you as a user of Shopee, what other suggestion could you give us to improve our interface, like as stated in this question, or our layout lah? So for example, like maybe we can create a different type of pattern, for example like square or anything, or maybe you can like just gather up some ideas and share it with us lah. That's not any problem. And then number 3 is, can you describe any difficulties you encounter while navigating the site? So as you see over here, we can also use Shopee in our phone or laptop. As for now, I'm using in my laptop. And if here, is it hard for you guys as a user to navigate Shopee, where navigate means like to search anything in the Shopee application, or to find out more detail about the product? So let's give an example over here. For example, I like this cargo short pants. So when I click over here, you can see this is the price stated and what type of pants is this, and here are the like shop vouchers, return protection, shipping, colors, and quantity. And down here is the description from where it's coming from. And then we have the reviews over here. So as a user, is it hard for you to navigate, or is it better to use Shopee in this way? And then we can go to the fourth question, which is, how does the interface compare to other shopping websites you use? In here, question number 4, I wanted to know whether is Shopee a better application to use to navigate, or to use as a online shopping center, or is it hard, or do you find any other website better than Shopee? So this is basically the questions that I wanted to ask you, open-ended question. And let's go to the second content, which is rank question. So in rank question, we can see number 1 is, how will you rate the overall visual appeal of the Shopee interface in the scale of 1 to 5, which is, in the scale of 1 to 5, we can state the 1 is the least and the 5 is the most excellent ranked. So rank questions are basically like you are giving us like marks for our Shopee product. So from here, how will you rate the overall visual appeal of the Shopee interface from the scale of 1 to 5, which is good or excellent or worse, these kind of things. So this is the visual appeal, as you can see. And then let's go to number 2, question number 2. How intuitive do you find the navigation on the site? Do you feel that the navigation, which is like the search bar over here, or the help bar, or the language, is it difficult for you to find it, or is it easier for you to find it in the scale of 1 to 5? And then number 3 is, rate the ease of finding products on Shopee. As you can see, we can search over here and the products might come. So for example, I'm searching short pants. And this is the types of short pants where our sellers will sell in this application, which is Shopee applications. So is it hard for you to find in this application, or is it easier for you to find? And number 4 is, how satisfied are you with this responsive of the site on mobile devices? So we also have in mobile devices and in laptops. As you can see, in laptop we have like a bigger face to see, like a bigger proper interface. Like in here, in this one home page, we can see seller center, start selling, download, follow us, notification, helps, and everything is over here. Whereas if you see in our smartphones, you have options where you have to press to go to that particular thing. For example, settings, you have to press on the right bottom corner to go to your settings or to go to your username or to your profile. So that kind of things, is it easier in the scale of 1 to 5, or is it hard to for you guys to interact with us? So this is the types of question that I wanted to ask, open-ended questions and rank questions. So that's all from me. Thanks watching.
Hello, good evening to Dr. May Aziza and my fellow friends. Before I am going to do my part, I would like to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Malraj Singh. My matrix number is 01DDT22F2086. So for today, I have, as you can see on the screen, that I'm screen recording. I have been given a task to come up with 5 questions regarding the user interface and the functionality of the Shopee app. So like I have to consider like I'm the Shopee like in charge of the Shopee app, yeah, interface and the functionality. So I have to come up with 5 questions uh, to get feedback from users of the Shopee app. So I'm going to start with the first question on for the interface slash appearance for Shopee app. Firstly, how would you rate the overall design of the Shopee app in terms of user friendliness? So I want you this question is to get feedback from users regarding the user friendliness of the design of the Shopee app. As you can see, this whole thing that I'm screen recording right now is the design of the Shopee app. You have icons like notifications, help, language selection, sign up slash login, and then start selling, download, and then all this is like the product, the what overlay or interface, basically the design of the product featured in the Shopee app. And then second question is, are the colors and visuals on the app appealing and easy to navigate? So as you can see, Shopee is mostly like orange, it's the main color. And then I would like users to give their input on the colors selection, I mean choice of color selection of the Shopee app, and is it appealing enough for them to help them ease their navigation of the Shopee app between different categories. And then thirdly, do you find the layout of product categories intuitive? How can it be improved? That means like product categories like let's say this is the category latest, top sales, price low to high. These are the categories, example of categories for the Shopee app product. And is it like is the layout uh, intuitive enough to the user, or if not, how can it be improved? So I would like to have the users send their feedbacks. Fourth question would be, are the fonts and text sizes on the app clear and readable across different devices? So the font and text sizes is like, this is a different font, this is a different font, and then the text sizes is like, this is the text size of this product, and then this free return is a different text size. So all this I would like users to like tell me, are these fonts and text sizes easily enough for them to be readable, and like and they can see without any issues based on the device they are accessing Shopee from. Fifth question, which is the last question on the interface slash appearance of Shopee app. How would you describe your experience with the product image and description display? For example, I'm going to search a product just like t-shirt. uh, and then let's say this, and then how would you describe your experience with the product image? So this is the product image, and then the description display is on Japanese style, men's popular style. So I would like users to tell me or give their feedback uh, on the experience they are faced with the product image and product description. Like, did the product image match the product description, or vice versa, and did it like attract them to buy the product because of the image that was appealing and the description that was appealing for them to spend money on the product? Now second question would be regarding on the functionality of the Shopee app. So the first question would be, how easy is it to search for specific products using the search bar? So as you can see, this is the search bar. So I would like users to give their feedbacks on how easy it is to ask questions, or to search for products using the search bar. For example, like I'm searching for football shoes, so this is what I'm searching for, and how easy it is for user to search for the products they want using this search bar. Second question would be, do you find the checkout process simple and efficient? What would improve it? So like the checkout system, for example, let's say I click on this, oh sorry, let's say I click on this, and then the checkout is like add to cart or buy now. So uh, as you can see, I'm not logged in, I'm just showing what the checkout section looks like. Is add to cart, buy now, and then um, how is the like the checkout section of the Shopee app complicated for user? Like, can they understand, can they easily navigate between the checkout and the payment methods and whatnot? Yeah, that I would like them to send their feedback. And then third question would be, is the Shopee app responsive and fast enough when browsing through different categories or pages? Like is the Shopee app, like, does it respond fast enough based on the users like need, or like does it take time to show the product they want, or does it just give them lots of product variation selection in a split second and whatnot? So I would like them to also send their feedback. And then uh, have you encountered next question would be, have you encountered any difficulties when applying vouchers? So like for example, as you know, you can apply vouchers or coupons to get discount on some Shopee products. So I want users to tell me, is it easy applying those vouchers, or did it take a long time, or like sometimes like the voucher or the app bugs out and the vouchers don't seem to be valid. Last but not least, how well does the notification system keep you updated on your orders? So as you can see, this is the notification system. How well does the system help the user to keep track of their order, and also like alert them about the upcoming promotions or the ongoing promotions for certain products that they might have interest in? Okay, so that's all I would like to present for my part. Thank you very much.